Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a donut text on CapCut Apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click new project. Add the video that you want to edit, but if you wanna select the black background video, so you just click on the stock video at the top. Click on it, and then in here you can click this one, background, a black background, and click at the bottom. Now you just click on the text, click text, and then click add text, and writing the text, tutorial millennial like this. And after this you can click on animation, this one, click on it, click animation, and in here you can click on the loop, click on the loop and click a donut, this one, click on it like this. And after this you can click check icon and export the video. Now you can click new project again. Now add the video has been exported, and after this you can click on the overlay. You click on the overlay and then add overlay, and in here you can click on stock videos, and in here you can add a background, this one, and everything you like. But in here I want to add this one or this one. Now click add at the bottom, and after this you click on the splice, this one, click on the splice and click slide, click this one, click slide, and finish. So that's how to make a donut text on CapCut Apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.